Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to blur your background in Zoom. So as you can see, this is the feature which you're seeing right now where you can go into a Zoom meeting with your background being blurred. So it's very easy, a very simple process to do. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up Zoom and go ahead and log into your account. As you can see, here I am on the main Zoom page. Make sure you're logged in and you have your webcam or camera hooked up to your PC or Mac, whatever you're using. So you have your camera working and ready to go. Go ahead and click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner or at the top of the screen here, and you'll see all of the different Zoom settings become available to you here. So underneath these settings, what we want to do is, first and foremost, you want to make sure that you're using the most up-to-date version of Zoom. It usually auto updates, but if it doesn't, you can go ahead and click on your icon in the upper right-hand corner there, and then what you would want to do is you go here and go to check for updates. Go ahead and click on check for updates, and then it should say something like a new version is available. Go ahead and click update there to go ahead and update Zoom to the most recent version of Zoom. As you can see here, the version as of recording of this video is 5.11.0. I believe this became available in 5.5 or 5.6 or something of that nature. So go ahead and upgrade your version to make sure it will work with your version of Zoom. Once you have it up to date, what you would then want to do is go back to the settings like what we've done here, and then go to where you see something that says background and effects, like you see mine right here. The first option is going to be none, like what you see here where there is, the background is fully visible, everything is normal. But if we go here and select the blur option here, it will immediately detect what my background and foreground is and just try its best to blur out the background. Now, as you can tell and as you can see with my video here, if I move around a lot and move my hand, if I do it really quickly, it begins to clip a little bit. So again, it's not perfect, but it does allow you to blur your background to an extent to where if you're trying to not show something behind you or for whatever reason it may be, you can just blur that background and you are good to go. Now, once you've selected that, just click off of that. And now whenever you're in a meeting like what I have here, if I started the meeting, it would be blurred just like it is right here. Now, if you have any questions on how to go about doing this, please put those in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.